Is coconut oil all what it's really hyped up to be? Today, I'm gonna share with you guys all of my favorite ways I use coconut oil on a frequent basis. I'm Angel, this is Aries. If you have not subscribed, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Coconut oil is amazing, guys. It's so amazing. It has so many beneficial properties. It's just an amazing resource to have in your home. And I'm going to go into detail about all the many ways that I love to use it on a frequent basis. First, let's start with cooking. It serves as a great oil to cook with. It's much more healthier than vegetable oil and a lot of the other oils out there. But I love cooking with coconut oil. Especially, I love cooking brownies with it. It makes the brownies so moist. It's one of my favorite oils to cook my brownies with, and other things among that too. Not only is it great for cooking with, but it's also great for the skin. Oh my god. It's amazing for the skin. It's so healing. It's so moisturizing, and it softens the skin. So because of that, you can use it by itself on your skin, you know, after you get out the shower. But I also like to put in a lot of my DIY concoctions. I am a natural girl. I love natural products. I love DIY products and using essential oils and all of that. Some of my DIY products that I like to use is my DIY moisturizer. So I take some coconut oil and some aloe vera gel, and I use that as a moisturizer a lot of times. It's great for brightening up the skin, and like I have moles on my face, so it's great for that too. That concoction is great for dry skin. Your skin will just soak it up. Now, if you're acne prone, I do not recommend it. It's very oily, so I don't recommend it if you have acne prone skin. But for like dry skin, which I have, it works wonders for my skin. But that's one of my DIY products that I love to use on my skin. It also can be a great body moisturizer. Like I said, if you're getting out the shower, you can add it in with your lotion, and it gives you just a glowy, smooth, and soft skin. I love it. You can use it by itself, or you can mix it with lotion, like I said. And it just serves as a great moisturizer for your skin. Another way I use coconut oil on a frequent basis is on my hair. So I don't put oil on my scalp because my hair tends to grow without any oils. That's just, I don't know. If you guys have not seen my natural hair, I'll insert a few pictures so you can see it. And that, my whole hair journey is a whole different story. I never wanted to go natural. It just kind of happened. But anyway, I don't put oil on my scalp, and my hair grows like wildfire. But what I do put oil on are my ends. The ends of my hair, I add a little bit of coconut oil to only when it needs it. Like when I see that my ends are becoming dry and brittle and just needs just a little moisture, I put a little bit of coconut oil on my ends, and guys, it refreshes my hair and it restores it and repairs it, and it's an amazing thing for your hair. You can put it in so many other hair concoctions. Some people put it in their hair masks, some people do use it on their scalp, you know, some people add it as a serum to the hair. You can use it in many different ways, but I just love adding it to my ends to restore and repair my ends, and it works wonders. So these are definitely not the only ways you can use coconut oil. These are the things that I use it for on a daily basis. You can use it for a teeth whitener, for masks, for scrubs, makeup remover. You can use coconut oil for so many different things in your life. It is all what it's hyped up to be. It's one of my favorite oils to work with and to use, and I highly recommend you guys look into it. If you've never tried coconut oil, you'd be surprised how many things you can use it for and how great it comes in handy for. And it's really cheap. It's like the cheapest beauty cooking product you can buy that serves a multitude of purposes in your lives. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.